Hey guys, Justin here of Tech, and when you hear the phone Redmi Note 9 Pro, you already know it's something. As one of Xiaomi's most successful series, there's definitely a lot of expectation for the Redmi Note 9 Pro. It has to prove that it's another awesome bang for your buck smartphone that power users are gonna look forward to. Now you guys have been asking us for this, and here it is. Let's start the unboxing. Alright, opening up this white box, we first get the usual smaller box with a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a jelly case. Underneath that, we get the unit itself. Let's set that aside for now. And other things included is this slightly thick 30-watt power adapter and a USB Type-C cable. Moving on to the phone itself, just like the Redmi Note 9S and Note 9, this Pro version looks completely different from last year's Note 8 Pro. It's catching up with a more modern-looking design with a glass back and plastic frame, highlighting that rectangular camera module with a square bump to house its quadruple rear cameras, while below are its LED flash and some Redmi branding. The unit we have is in the Glacier white color, and there are also darker shades available, the Interstellar Gray and Tropical Green. For some reason, the Tropical Green variant doesn't get that black bar underneath the camera module for its LED flash. You might want that. On the right are its volume rocker and a power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Meanwhile, on the left, you'll find its triple card slot for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card that's expandable up to 512 gigabytes. Up top are a secondary microphone and an IR blaster. While at the bottom, you'll find its loudspeaker, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and a headphone jack. Thank you. Talk about display, the Note 9 Pro gets a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus dot display screen with thin bezels and a small punch hole on the upper center for its front camera. Above that, you can find a call speaker and a tiny notification indicator. As for protection, it's covered with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and a pre-installed screen protector. Now powering this device is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G paired with an Adreno 618 GPU, 64 or 128 GB of internal storage, a MIUI 11 based on Android 10, and a whopping 5020 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. Okay, let's talk about cameras. At the back, the one on the top left is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens next to the 64-megapixel main shooter. And below them are the 5-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Moreover, residing on that punch hole is a 16-megapixel in-display front camera. We tested its cameras for a quick spin, and so far here's how they look. We get decent photo quality with good colors, however I did notice that some photos can look saturated depending on the angles. But we'll talk more about that in our full review. As for price, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro is available in two options. The 6GB plus 64GB is priced at 12,490 pesos, while the 6GB plus 128GB option is available for 13,990 pesos. That's a 1,000 peso difference to the Redmi Note 8 Pro variants, and we're really wondering if the Note 9 Pro will be another successful power-packed smartphone considering the leaps the company made for this one. Anyways, that's it for now. Stay tuned for our full review. And how about you guys? What do you think of this Redmi Note 9 Pro? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yukatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home. Please.